Hey everybody, thanks for watching this last week when we put in the 120 vines. Since we did that, we now have some chewing at our vines from a small critter or likely a deer that came through. This is a deer section that they passed through. So we picked up some of these grow tubes. They're made by Schelt US, and they're really nice because they come flat. It's just a typical injection molded plastic material that's reusable. It's collapsible, stackable when you're done with them. But for now, we're going to use them to protect our vines and prevent any other critters chewing on them as they get started. So a couple more benefits that I liked about these is that they're reusable. Also, 20% of the grow tube, once folded up, is exposed for ventilation, sunlight. So the vines, as they come up through, they still have protection, but they're getting sun and air. And then also, it's closed on the bottom half, 80% of that. So I can still come through and spray weeds and any herbicides. It protects the vine as well. So far we've done 4 rows and we're working on our 5th row. It really takes about 5-7 minutes per row, and it's real simple. You just fold it up, you have your vine, and it snaps in 2 places. And done.